Hey YouTube, this is William's Workshop here. Just showing a quick one of my fixes. We got a nice shower here, glass sliding doors. Nothing really wrong with it, except right now the handle just comes off. So I want to show you guys how to fix it. Just take it off. If you notice on the underside here, there are two set screws. So this one here on the top side, there it is. And the one I just put in right there. So I came over here, set screw assortment, found the right one. It's going to be the 3/16 by 24 1/4" course. Put that in the bottom. That's going to be a American SAE size here. I picked the 5/64 Allen key, and that's what fits this one. Then for the top one, it's going to be a 2.5 millimeter. So let's bring those over. Remember which one is which. Always put the set screws facing down, right like that, so there's nothing on the top, nothing showing, right like that. Put this one kind of in my pocket since I'm filming, and once we tighten it up right here, I'll show you it's fixed. Just finishing it up here, tightening right there. As you see, it's tight, and we'll try to take it off. Can't do it. It's solid right there. Won't come off. So there it is, guys. Another fix. Happy to help everyone out there. Any comments, questions, just leave them. It's December 18th, 2024. So just that time of year. Wishing everybody a joyful season. Merry Christmas. Tune into the next video. Got some coming for everybody. So, all right. Happy. Everybody have a good one.